Hey you guys, it's me Nat. I'm back with another video. If you guys don't know already, I am posting all of my old videos from over like a year ago. So let's play catch up because these videos are not going to waste. In today's videos, we are unboxing some camera gear, some accessories because I'm getting back into vlogging, and we're also doing some meal preps. So let's get into the video.
Yeah, we have a lot going on here. This is gonna be night 4 of working. Stuff just piling up. So I'm very exhausted, I know. Tells you how my week is going. I just woke up maybe 30 minutes ago. I want to open up the packages that came in today. I don't know, y'all. Working all these hours. I feel like I have not spending enough time in the Word like I used to. I mean, I still read my daily scriptures and everything like that, but I feel like I'm not meditating on it long enough before I go to work, and I don't like that. We're going to try to find a different routine for the days that I do work. I mean, I try to do them, do my devotionals at work on my tablet, but it's still not reliable because I don't know how busy my nights are going to get. I don't know if I told you about this, but this is a great little booklet where to find anything in the Bible. And I think I got it at an airport. Recently, I've been going through loneliness, so I've been like reading about it in the Bible, and basically Job is the main character here. I will be reading his story again. Let me make room for the box I'm about to open, y'all. It keeps a mess. Should I do like a weekly clean up with me after working 48 hours? Because it's like I clean, and after my 48 hours, everything's back to a mess again. But so far, y'all, little review of how I'm liking my first MacBook. And I think I told you, I think this is a 2020 or 2021, I'm not sure. But I'm loving it, especially for like editing, you know? I'm opening up the package, a little book bag, backpack, whatever you want to call it, my electronics. So this is the electronic backpack that I ordered. In case you guys are wondering exactly what it is, this is the brand. Hold down my everything. Okay, so one thing it does have is it has this part here where you can just clip on and off. That way people can't really get in your bag quick enough, at least. When it's on your back, like that. So this will be our little camera slash. It's a decent size. This is how I guess how wide it is. Okay. It's a little hook here that you can just probably hook, I'm not sure, like a key or whatever. Little extra pockets in here. And it even has like a water bottle compartment. There's a little pocket here for extra storage. Take these off. I don't know what time it is, y'all, because I gotta watch the time. It's 4:27. So I wake up and I blink and I already gotta be at work. I don't have no time to myself before work. Okay, so this is one of the these tripods, and that fits perfectly in here, so that's good. It's like my old cameras, whatever. What I'm going to do, like this was one of my old ones, I am going to actually, because we're going like a little family vacation, so what I'm going to do is have the kids are old enough to at least hold the camera and get some footage of themselves just vlogging, talking to y'all, and we will see how that goes. So this camera will be for them. This one here, I love this camera, but like I was gonna start using it for vlogging, but it doesn't focus it's not like an autofocus for vlogging, so it's more for picture taking, and it takes incredible pictures. So yeah, this is also one of my old cameras, first cameras I ever got. Let's put that one here, the bottom, and put away. And chargers and stuff, so we'll keep that there. Put this in there. That way, put that here. And here. Can it fit without me having to break it down? That's the question. Yep, that's good. Perfect. This will fit everything. Even my laptop too, which would. Isn't this like not the cutest bag? I thought this was originally gonna fit everything. It's a good thing I got two. Like I bought this in the black bag. Let's get to the blur this out, of course. Void of damage. I rebuke it in the name of Jesus. Tripod mount. Is this maybe my package? Let's see. Ooh, this is what I'm so excited to get you guys. Y'all, this vlogging thing is gonna be to a next level. Give me about 6 months. Look, y'all. So I got this DJI RS3 Mini. It is a camera mount thing, whatever. I don't know what's in that other package. Oh, it's probably the strap for my tablet. What time is it? Oh, what time is it? I'm excited for this one here, y'all. Okay. What's in here? Nothing? I can't be throwing anything away now. Alright, nothing's in here. Just for this protection. Okay, y'all. This is it right here. Let's open her up. Let's open her up. Okay. Here. So I guess we got all extra pieces. I probably should have a pouch for all this. Comes with whatever this is, probably the charger, some extra mountain pieces, I guess. Another little USB charging thing. Trash. Comes with a little tripod mount. Right? Is that what it is? Yep. Okay. Yeah, we done with this. I'm over it. We'll get back to y'all when I figure it out.
So I didn't figure it out. It took me a couple of days to get everything situated. Fast forward to today, everything's intact, and yeah.
you guys enjoy this little cleanup with me video. Peace. Oh, for Thanksgiving. Good question. Alright, that's ready. Alright, we got our concoction going on right now. So far it looks yummy. To make this meal pop, or this little chickpea tuna pop, you're supposed to add sweet relish to it, but I don't trust the jar that I purchased because it's kind of sketchy, so I'm going to throw it out. To make this chickpea tuna pop, you are going to need sweet relish, but it's okay if you don't have any. It's still going to be good. Alright, y'all, this is our chickpea tuna. paprika in there. I'm just extra. I want to see how it tastes like. I'm gonna add a hint of garlic salt.